Peace, good day. Back in the Congo lab, want to share a couple of therapeutics I'm using to work with a few of my clients who are working on some cases of chronic and acute management of cholesterol and hypertension. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is my mushroom tincture, Ling Frofolia. This is a tincture made with reishi and maitake mushroom, which serves as many anti-inflammatory properties in the human body. But furthermore, when we look at the clinical trials and the studies, the Ling Frofolia, specifically the Frondosa grifosa, which is the maitake mushroom, has been very good in helping reduce high cholesterol levels and balancing the overall triglyceride compounds and HDL compounds. Furthermore, when people are dealing with issues of cholesterol, they usually, as they age, may see some issues with the vessels hardening, we know as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, arterial atherosclerosis, where it begins to plaque and build up. And this is a product I found that I think is very effective. I'm still testing with 3 clients. It's basically fermented natto, which is soybean. And a lot of people I know are against soy and soy-based products, but this is where I clinically, scientifically, and through my own case studies have witnessed effective healing, not symptomology, not a few days of low pressure, not a month of low cholesterol, but weeks, months that go into years, that go into the lifestyle permanently. And that's what matters most, is going over a year without having any chronic illness and disease. Furthermore, we've been looking at the guggul, which is a wonderful, wonderful botanical for those who already have generally good, healthy cholesterol and good blood pressure levels. But the guggul is a resin, guys. This comes from a tree similar to your myrrh, your frankincense resin that you would normally burn aromatically. And this is a natural blood thinner. Just think of it like that. It has very good anti-lipid forming compounds, helps also with digestion when combined with black cardamom, which is typically an ancient Ayurvedic digestion formula. But I just wanted to share some of the therapies. When you work with me, it's not just going to be all one thing, but a combination of many things to include changing and balancing a healthy, living, happy lifestyle. Peace. Good day.